This is a video of both crossings. I'm going to show you the other one now. Now this is going to be cool if I can get to the other crossing. And you can see both of them. There's that one back there. I might be able to do it. So you got to see Down Street. Now I see Luck getting the Slit Rock. You can see that one too. So we have about a 3-minute video. I'm very low on storage, so I'm not going to do a lot. But you're going to get to see crossing up here too. Tornado siren. I'm going a little too fast, so I'm going to slow down just a little bit. There's a train. I don't need to stop because I'm in a hurry here. But we are coming up to the arc crossing. And there you go, there's that one. So you got to see both crossings. So you just got to see both crossings on one video. That's awesome. In town. I'll give you a zoom in real quick. I can't really stay forever here. But there he goes. So I got most of the train here, but I did get a little bit of Dow Street. Alright. Oh yeah, I'll try to do that. Alright. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your night.